Okay, so what was your first job in the industry?
Oh man, my first job in the industry was tape vault manager for a reality company down in Santa Monica. So I was living in Inglewood because that was closer to work. Living in this, it was a back house with this old like kind of dirty old man bachelor with holes in the walls, and so I would commute up to Santa Monica and just jog over on the 10. And it was actually, I came to find out later, the bosses were like they came from the real world, like they were really successful, but I knew nothing about it because I like missed that whole thing. So yeah, I just logged tapes and interview footage, and would write and take the classes at UCLA during the week.
Awesome. So how did you move up in the industry? What different
That's
jobs did you have?
Yeah. Well, I worked that reality TV show job. That was the first job I had in LA, and that ended because they ran out of work. So it was easy to kind of move on from that because they asked me to. And then we came back actually. So I finished that job, went and got married, moved back to LA married, and we both actually couldn't find work for, I think it was about 6 weeks, 6 weeks
Oh, wow.
to like 2 months. And so then through this group that we were meeting with, they were rebranding some channel we never heard of called Disney Junior. We didn't really know what that was, but they needed a PA, so my wife got that job. And then across the floor, they needed another PA for this channel called Jetix that I had never heard of, which has now become XD. And so we worked freelance for a while, and that was just in the first year after we got married. And then right after that, I went to the American Film Institute. So got accepted to that in the spring of 2007, and that was the next 2 years. And after that, it was one job actually at ABC Family that became Freeform, and the way I moved up there was just writing, being creative, and taking opportunities as they came to me. So I started as a production coordinator, and after pushing and pushing and pushing to try to write some spots because it was a promo thing, I finally got the writer-producer gig, and so did that work for another few years after that till that job ended. But throughout all of that, I was writing, and so I'd gotten done with AFI, was fortunate enough to get representation right out of school, and was just hustling, just writing and letting the managers do their thing, and trying to make it and surviving.